Hey everybody, this is Peter with Cooking with Peter. Today I have something really special and simple for you today. We're going to be doing some grilled and smoked chicken legs. It's so simple to do, and we're going to be using the Ninja Woodfire Grill to do this. It's real simple. Let's get going. Here's the list of ingredients. I'm going to go over them with you right now, and they're so easy to do. Here I just have some regular chicken legs I bought at the store, and of course you can buy those really inexpensively at the store. I'm going to be using some of this Weber Kickin' Chicken seasoning. It has all the seasonings that I want, and then I'm going to be using this barbecue sauce. It's an Oklahoma company, which is where I am, and it's called Head Country. And I really like their sauce. It's not too sweet, not too peppery. It's really, really good. So to make these, sometimes with chicken legs, you're going to know that they have the skin that kind of wraps up around the meat. Not so much on these. So I'm not worried about pulling that skin back from the chicken leg because I don't need to do that. It's already there. I'm just going to put in some of this Kickin' Chicken seasonings on both sides of the chicken. What I like to do is I like to put the seasonings on there, and I like to let the seasonings kind of soak in, so to speak, into the chicken or the meat that I'm using for about 15 minutes or so. And the reason for that is to let the salt kind of work into the meat a bit, which is going to make it slightly more tender and also have more flavor. And that's what we're all after with this. A little more of the Kickin' Chicken on the other side. All right, we're finished. Could it be more simple than that? Let's go outside and get that Ninja Woodfire Grill set up and get it going. Okay everybody, we're going to be using the Ninja Woodfire Grill today, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the grill on. I'm using the XL version, the XL Pro Connect. I'm going to leave it on grill mode. I'm going to set the temperature to medium. I'm going to set the time to 1 hour. That's where it goes. And then I'm going to press the Woodfire button. Remember, when you're using the grill function and you want smoke, you have to press the Woodfire flavor button. There we go. Now come over here and press start. And as you can see, I've already put in my chips, my pellets rather. And as all of you know, I use the Costco pellets and a mixture of that with some charcoal pellets. Today I'll be using the grill pan, not the griddle. So that's my setup for today. Let's go inside and get the rest going. All right guys, the grill is ready. So I'm going to be putting our chicken legs on there. And you can put these on in any way that they will fit. I only have about 9 or 10 chicken legs today, so I'm going to be putting these on any way I can. Now if you had a lot of skin on the chicken legs, which I do not, but if you do, you'll put the skin on the top, and therefore it'll help to render that out a little bit better. I'm also cooking today with a high temperature, 350 on medium, and the reason for that is that I want the legs to be pretty crispy when they finish. All right, so that is that. I'm going to close down the lid, and we're going to let these cook for about 30 minutes total, but in about 15 minutes I will come back, flip the chicken over, and then start checking the temperature about every 5 minutes after that. All right, here we go. All right guys, we are just at about 17 minutes in, and you can see the chicken's coming along great. Got some nice smoke flavor onto it. It's turning out great. It's got some grill marks. Looks delicious. So I'm going to flip these over and then check the temp. Go ahead and add some sauce in a couple of minutes and let that firm up. And we will be wrapping this one up. Okay, let's check the temperatures and see where we are. 145, 150, 155. We want to go up to about 180. All right, so let's give it about 4 or 5 more minutes, and then we'll put the sauce on. All right, guys, it's been about 3 more minutes. That's about it. I checked the temperatures, and we are good on the temperatures. So I'm going to put the barbecue sauce on now. I don't use a lot of sauce. I'm not a big fan of the barbecue sauce, except I'm not a big fan as far as adding a lot. That's what I'm saying. I really don't want them to be too messy with the barbecue sauce, but I do enjoy the flavor, especially of this barbecue sauce. It's called Head Country barbecue sauce. They're based in Oklahoma. I know you can buy the barbecue sauce from them, and also I believe Amazon sells it if you're not anywhere where they have it in the store. All right. Let me flip these over and we'll do the other side. All right, give it about 2 more minutes and we will be finished. All right, guys, it's been about 3 more minutes. The chicken is finished. Total time has been about 23 minutes. Let's get this off the grill. Got the grill turned off. We're going to go inside and plate this chicken up. It looks great, doesn't it? Look at that. Juicy. Looks fantastic. Got some nice smoke flavor. Some great grill marks. It just came out fantastic. Well, folks, here you have it. You have my grilled and smoked chicken legs, barbecued chicken legs. The whole house smells fantastic. It smells like the smoke when you go to a barbecue place. The chicken looks fantastic. All the grill marks are there. It only took about 23 minutes or so after the initial heat up and preheat for the grill. The reason I don't like to put the chicken in with the preheat is because I really don't want that nasty flavored smoke to get onto the meat. I'd rather it be more clean, and that's why I wait to go through that preheat process. Okay, there's only one thing left to do on this video, and that is to give one of these chicken legs a try. They're hot, so what I like about cooking chicken legs in this style is that nothing overpowers. The smoke does not overpower. The barbecue sauce does not overpower. You just get a really good flavor of the chicken all the way through, and you can taste all levels of the flavors that are there. You get the kicking chicken, you get the chicken itself, the smoke, as well as the barbecue sauce. So this is really a great way to do it. Hope you give this recipe a try. I want to thank you very much for watching the video today. I hope you enjoy it. Remember, I will not have a recipe linked down below, so please go back and watch the video. Just write down the things that I've done and you'll be all set to do this on your Ninja Woodfire Grill. Appreciate you watching today. Do me a favor, please give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, please do so. And please tell your friends and ask them to subscribe. It really helps us out. We'll see you next time. Take care.